Hello, this is a quick tour through one of my classes. This is Spring 26 ELED 258 Children's Literature Exploring Stories, Art, and the Power of Picture Books. And this tour is to show you a little bit of the organization I use in my online courses. So I'm just going to skip right over down to the modules. This is the teacher view right now. So you can see the first session here, session 0. So I order them by session using the numerical 0, 1, 2, 3 in order so they know the order of the sessions, and of course using the pages in order to make it really clear about what is coming next. Often the students do have to view each of the sections of the pages. So here is, for example, this past week was the prerequisite was they actually had to look at this first day information before they could go into any of these pages. So you can see here we've got the text, we've got links to the article that they need, completing the quizzes and journals, clicking next. It tells them a little bit about what they're getting ready to embark on. And so a video for them to watch, introduction to their textbook. Next up, a little bit of what led them to take the course. They will write a journal for me, and you can see I try to use color coding and just have the clarity needed for this type of course when it's all online. Clicking next. They have a quiz to do, and you can't really see the quiz right here, but you can imagine they take a quiz. And then they did it. They completed session 1. Go you. See you for session 2. And a couple of reminders here. And then we'll go to next, and then it would go to the next week. So again, this is just so you can see kind of how it's all bulleted out. I think clarity is key when we are teaching online. So going back here to modules, you can see here just a little bit that they can learn about who I am, and I think it's that personal touch also that allows our students to recognize there's a human behind the screen. And just so you can see a little bit of the syllabus, that's where that would be. If I wanted to show you as the student right now, of course it's the beginning of the semester, so not quite as much is opened up, but you can see the clarity with what they have to do, and how they have to complete all the items before going on. So thank you very much.